Right, so I'm going to show you how to put your Galaxy A17 5G in recovery mode, and then I'll also show you how to exit out of recovery mode. So for this one, you do need a USB cable. So this is an example of a USB cable, a Type-C. So the Type-C end goes into your phone. The other end goes into a computer. Now it could be a Mac or a Windows computer or a laptop, whatever it is. Now, keep in mind that you have to be in the data transfer mode. So if I swipe down and go to USB for charging or the USB configuration, make sure that it's set to transferring files / Android Auto. Okay, so once it's set to that, then now you can go ahead and turn off your phone. So let's go ahead and switch off this phone. So with the phone off, now you want to press and hold the side button and volume up until you see the Samsung logo, and then you can let go of the power button. The power button is also the side button, and continue holding the volume up button. So let's do this together. So power and volume up, press and hold simultaneously. Just keep holding until you see that Samsung logo, and then let go of the side button and continue holding the volume up button. Just keep holding that volume up button. That's going to put your phone in recovery mode. So this is where you have all the other options like reboot to bootloader, apply update from SD card, wipe data. Just if you want to hard reset, this is where you come, factory reset there. Then you have the wipe cache partition and all that stuff. Now to exit out of recovery mode, you need to go back all the way to the top item, which is reboot system now, and then you select using the power button. And that's going to basically reboot the phone back into the normal user interface. So that's how to enter and exit recovery mode on the Galaxy A17 5G. Thanks for watching and good luck.